Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you're trying to convert an OST file to PST because Outlook won't open it or your OST file is inaccessible, this video will help you choose the right tool. Today, I'm testing Stellar Converter for OST to convert an inaccessible OST file to PST file. OST files are tied to Exchange or Microsoft 365. Without the original account, Outlook can't open them. That's why people search OST to PST converter. Stellar Converter for OST promises to convert inaccessible OST files into PST, including emails and attachments, and lets you preview data before saving. The installation is simple with no bundled software. The interface looks and works like Outlook, making it easy for beginners and for users already familiar with Outlook. This is the link. Link is provided in the description. To download, click here on free download. Once downloaded, open the file, click on yes, change the language if you want, click on OK, on next, accept the agreement, next, click on next, 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 install the RAM. The software is now installed. The tool is downloaded. Click to open. Click on yes. Choose manually. Start by locating the OST file on your system. You can let the tool auto detect it and browse manually to the folder where it is stored. Mine is stored in downloads, so select and open. Click on convert. It will take few seconds to get converted. The software is scanning. Click on OK. Software scans it and shows a full email box preview. Emails, attachments, contacts, even calendars. You can preview any item before exporting. To save the converted file, click here on save. These are the export formats. Since we want to convert all the emails, click on PST. You can select the destination part, whichever you want. You can also choose to click for recover deleted items and or auto split PST file. You have the advanced option where you can also exclude junk emails or deleted items. You can select the date range, whatever you want. Then click on next. Click on OK. The emails are getting saved. Wait for few seconds to get converted. The saving is completed. Click on OK to give the confirmation. The OST file is converted successfully. You can check wherever you have saved the location. Here you can, as you can see, this is my converted version. The tool is easy to use, supports multiple export formats, provides a full mailbox preview, and handles large OST files efficiently. This tool makes sense if you are an IT admin, need to migrate mailbox, or lost access to an OST file. Overall, Stellar Converter for OST is a reliable tool when you need to convert OST to PST. It does what it claims. Like, share, subscribe, and comment what OST issue you are facing. Thank you.